Hello.
Welcome back to TheChuckster. So today I'm going to be doing something I've never actually done before, and that is use some fake eyelashes and some fake stick-on nails. I've actually never done either before. All the long nails you've seen me have before were 100% real, except for one. I had an extension on one, and that's the first time I've had an extension. But yeah, other than that, I've never had fake nails, and I've never even seen why I should need fake eyelashes. So literally I just got this from the pound shop, so it could be shit, I don't know. Oh, dropped it. But let's go. I think I'm gonna start with the fake eyelashes, because I feel like if I did the nails first it'll be quite hard to put on. But this is from the Makeup Gallery, Up and Away, 2 pairs with glue. And I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh my god, I can't open it. Okay, so it comes out in a pack like this, and it has glue on the side here. I need to read the instructions. Directions: wash your hands before applying false lashes, never stick them to your own lashes, always glue them to the eyelid. Okay. Clean them thoroughly before reusing. Reusing? I thought fake eyelashes were a one-time thing. Interesting. Throw them away at the first sign of wear and tear. Most false lashes have a lifespan of around 4 wears. 4? That's not too bad. Glue caution. Apply glue on a small, inconspicuous area of skin first. It may cause skin irritation if you have sensitive skin. If skin irritation persists, then seek medical advice. Contains rubber latex. Ooh. There's no real instructions. Just wash your hands. And don't apply them to your lashes, apply them to the lid. I still don't know what I'm doing! Okay, my hands are now squeaky clean. And I also got a pair of tweezers because I've seen Saffron Barker do it and she's used tweezers, so yeah. It's my mum's, and there's a torch in the middle, which is quite cool. Anyway, I don't know what on earth I'm doing. I mean, what I've seen is people apply the glue to the false eyelashes, blow on it a bit, and then stick it to the eyelid. That's what I've seen. How do I actually pick the eyelashes up? How do I actually get them off here? They are stuck. Do I even have to use glue? Can I just use what's making it sticky already? I'm gonna try that. Okay, I have a mirror here, so forgive me if I'm looking over here a lot. I'll just angle it more. Yeah. So how am I actually meant to get it precise? Because it looks very fiddly. Yeah? Oh my god. It feels weird. I just kind of want to rub my eyes. Come on. How's this meant to go on? I don't understand. I mean, it's not actually long enough, to be quite honest with you. I mean, to get to the end of my eye, where my real eyelashes stop, it has to start halfway through here. Oh, this just feels weird. And I can't get it close. And it's not sticking. I'm gonna have to put some of the glue on, aren't I? Hold on. Let me get the tweezers. Maybe that'll help. Okay, put them on the end of the tweezer. Let's apply some glue. And I drop the eyelash. Oh my god, how do people do this? I don't understand. It's so fiddly. Is any glue going on? I don't even know. I think I've got glue on it. And now I'll be like all those beauty guru professionals and go like... or whatever. Okay. How am I meant to do this? Let's try this eye first, actually. Let's try this eye. I mean... this is actually impossible. I can't move it. It's stuck now. This is so difficult. How do people do this every day? To be fair, they do look good if they're on properly. I suppose like anything, it just takes practice, but You know, it's cool because it looks like I'm wearing eyeliner as well. But I can't make either end stick on, but the middle has, and to be honest, I quite like it. Not gonna lie. I look sick. I mean, if it was on properly, the ends are still sticking up, but I don't mind it. Oh my god, in the corner, it just won't stay down. Let's try the other one to make it a bit equal. I don't know how you do this every day. It is a skill. It's an art form. Saffron, Anna, any other people who use fake lashes, I commemorate you. This takes skill. Like, my god, I can't. It feels horrible. It looks good, but it feels horrible. Like, I can't touch my eye. It's just kind of a museum now instead of part of my body kind of thing. But it does look good. So, I mean, it looks alright on camera. You can't really see where it's sticking up, but IRL, it needs to go down. Right, so let's try the other one. Let's go again. I mean, I'm using £1 lashes. There are probably ones that are a lot easier and a lot better to use, but hey ho. Let's do the... Yeah, okay. I tell you what, I did that one fucking perfectly. I mean, don't get me wrong, it feels really weird to blink. Actually, it's over my natural lashes too much, I can't really see. Hold on. It feels weirder because I think it's more precise, so it's closer. I mean, it feels really weird. I feel like I can't blink properly, like I need to remove something here. Look at those, on fleek. My eyelashes are naturally that long. Usually my eyelashes reach my eyebrows, I'm not joking. I don't need fake lashes, Jesus. But it just looks like I have really good eyeliner on as well, so, you know. But, my god, I actually like them. It just feels retarded. I can't use my eyes properly. But yeah, not too shabby. I give false eyelashes a thumbs up, even if they are ridiculously fiddly. But I'm happy with that, definitely. Right, let's move on to the false nails. I have some almond nails, it says here. I picked a light blue colour. And I don't have like the square tips, I have them rounded. I hate the square tips, it nails the corners. It just doesn't make sense to me. Anyway, oh shit, I've just ripped through the directions. Oh no I haven't, that's fine. That's fine, I can still read them. And there's a load more in the middle. Okay, this also comes with glue. Let me just close the eyelash one. I feel like I can't see out of this one. It's so weird. Maybe I did this one too close? I don't know. Okay, so with the falsies, remove any nail polish or dirt from the nail surface. I kind of have dirt on them from the glue from the last one, so I'm gonna go wash my hands again. Okay, once again my hands are squeaky clean. So, where have the instructions gone? To ensure strong hold, make sure your nails are clean, dry and free of grease. They're clean, dry and free of grease. All's good. Carefully push back cuticles with a stick. I also purchased this for the cuticle thing, and you can never have enough nail files, so all's good. Okay, cuticles all pushed back. Work on one nail at a time. Apply glue to your nail. Choose an appropriate size false nail and place on your nail. Hold it in place and press down for a few seconds. Allow to dry. So I put glue on, stick the nail on, and then allow to dry. Okay, that doesn't seem too complicated. So there are 24 to actually choose from here. So I assume there's different sizes, as they said. Oh, it's weird. It's weird holding a nail like this. That's the perfect size. Okay, so I'll use this as a thumb. Yeah? Yeah, all good. I'm like trying to confer with you guys. God, they're long. They're really long. Do I put the glue on the whole nail or just near the cuticle, or don't know. I like how thinly it comes out. I do like that. Right then. We press down for a bit. Oh my god, it's actually huge. Like that takes up my whole thumb. It feels weird. Why do people wear false things? You just grow your nails. And I naturally have long eyelashes, so you know. Okay, I think that's the first one on. I'm not entirely sure. Let's try and go for the next. Huzzah. This is very laborious. It'd be a lot easier just to paint your nails. When it comes to the length, grow them and file them. It ain't hard. Okay, I look like I have freaking talons. My god. I could poke someone's eye out. We're getting there. One hand done. Jesus Christ. I can't get over it. See, what I'm scared of is the glue would be bad for my real nails. I'm scared that it'll actually ruin them. So I hope that that doesn't happen and that they grow fine underneath. How does it come off? That must be painful, Jesus. I'm just gonna do the other hand and come back to you guys. They're freaking talons. Okay, all 10 done. They're actually really flimsy. Like, this thumbnail will not stay on. It's so annoying. I've put so much glue on. Anyway, I wouldn't say they're long lasting at all. They're more one day or an evening, when, you know, whenever you need the nails. They're alright. You know, I can see the convenience of them. I still think it would just be a lot easier to paint them. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, that is my eyelash nails experiment, first time kind of thing for you guys. It was a lot harder than I thought. A lot harder. Like, I'm actually desperate to take these eyelashes off. They feel weird. I just kind of want my eyes back. And these are going to annoy me eventually because I have to be careful. So I don't think these are going to last the day. But other than that, I think it was a success. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and to smash the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And bell me so you never miss an upload, because with content like this you just wouldn't want to miss it, would you? I know. Oh, I know. Want to see more of me? Head over to my vlogging channel Chucky Days, or my joint channel with Izzy, Sibling Sync. And exciting news! Announcements! Exciting! I, TheChuckster, and Izzy, Sibling Sync, are bringing out merch. It's still early days. Like, I'm still designing the website and the products and stuff, but it's definitely on the table. It's coming, guys. It's coming. So look out for that. Easy wave, guys. Subscribe. I thought if I could hide under the log, we could hide from the torch, but no, they just shot him. It's driving me fucking crazy. It's 4 months later and I found it. I pulled the